Sumaya from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
So I just wanted to clarify my last question. So I meant when you are about to stand up after doing sujood, but you get the doubt of if you have done one sujood or two sujood. So in such situations, I go back down because I don't know if I did one or two. And then depending on my inclination, I stand up again or I do another sujood. So should I do Sujood Sahw in that situation and when?
Of course, you have to do Sujood Sahu after you know what you have done is either minus or plus. When you're in doubt, either you are totally oblivious. I don't know, did I do one or two? 50-50. I can't determine. I'm totally blank. In this case, you assume what is certain. I've definitely done one. The second one is doubtful. So I offer a second sujood and I offer the rest of the prayer as usual. And before salam, I offer two sujood of forgetfulness. Done deal. Now the second scenario is, I'm doubtful whether I offered one or two sujood, but I'm not totally oblivious. I have an inclination. Either 60% I prayed one sujood, or maybe 60% I prayed two sujoods. I should act upon what I'm inclined to my gut feeling. Continue my rest of the prayer as usual, do my tashahhud, do my salutation, offer two salams, then offer two sujood al-sahw, and offer another two salams, and Allah knows best.